Excuse me. Okay.
Is that one the spinal trapezius?
Yep. Here is latissimus dorsi.
You got it.
Okay.
We got two.
Lying on top of that is your spinal trap. This is your acromio trap, and this is your clavotrapezius. So spinal, acromio, clavo. There's always a sac on the back. Anything trap is back. So spinal, acromio, clavo. Now, we have spinal, acromio, and clavodeltoid as well. The rectangle here is going to be spinodeltoid. Okay? Here is the acromiodeltoid. Right above it is going to be the clavodeltoid, the other sac.
So it was clavo, spino.
No, spino, acromio, clavo.
Okay.
Deltoid. Spino, acromio, clavo trap. Spinal is a rectangle, acromio on the deltoid is a triangle, and this clavo, it gets one name for 3 locations. Trap is in the neck, delt is here, and this is clavobrachialis. Okay? Now, levator scapulae. Notice?
So it's this?
Is attached to acromio trap.
So
See it? So levator scapulae is going to elevate the scapula. Now, right here,
Darwin, do you mind keeping it down there, buddy?
You know what? I'm going to fight you right now.
Yeah. I'll win.
I'm going to throw a cat at you.
that would be fluffy abuse. Okay, here is the tricep. This is the lateral head. It's on the lateral surface, so it would be the lateral head. Here is the long head.
We thought that was a medial.
Oh
Because it's in
no,
the
open the
middle.
door.
In between.
In between is the middle head. Okay. See it inside? So, lateral, long, medial. Now, we have 2 other muscles that we need to look at. We're going to find the brachialis right there. That's brachialis. And coming off of brachialis is this guy, the brachioradialis. See how long it is?
Yeah, it looks like it's going all the way down.
It does. It goes to the styloid of the radius. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because it's named for brachioradialis. Now, that's what we need there. Then we're going to take acromio trap and flap it back. We see a big, beautiful muscle. That is going to be the supraspinous or supraspinatus muscle. The spine on the cat is going to run superior to inferior. So it goes from top to bottom. And the spine is right there. What I'm going to do is move this back. And now I'll be able to see the infraspinatus right there.
So what's on one side's on other, always
Yep.
the same.
Yep. Then, right on okay, down here, you're going to have the teres major. Okay? It hasn't been taken off yet, so I've got to work on this guy a little bit. Right there. Okay, that's going to be teres major. Okay? Now, once I do this, we've got supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres major, right there, teres minor,
Minor in this case would just mean that it's smaller than the actual one.
That's underneath the major, right?
it's in front. So as I go over here, this little tiny guy is going to be minor. What you have to do is they actually chewed his spinal deltoid. So you lift it up and look down, and that's where the teres minor is going to be. Right on the inferior angle of the scapula is where you're going to find teres major. Okay? Now, do you feel reasonably comfortable? It's not that hard. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to head south. And this one actually has been done. Although they need muscles.
That young man that was in the lab earlier, he was taking all the hair off the cat. Remember, he was the kid that was sitting there? Must be for these type of.
Okay. Now, gluteus medius usually has a bunch of fascia on it, and it would be right below this. Okay, and this is the fascia. So, if I'm able to remove it, you'll be able to actually see the muscle fibers.
The medius connects to the hip, right?
Yep. Okay. Now, this guy is the gluteus maximus. So gluteus medius, gluteus maximus. Maximus is smaller. This is caudofemoralis. Here is your sciatic nerve.
Sciatic nerve?
Yep. Right there. Okay. Then, caudo, this is the bicep femoris. Over here, you're going to see the gastrocnemius and you'll see the soleus below it. Now, watch what the gastroc and soleus are going to do.
Hold on, let me touch it. Actually, you can charge it or you can use someone else's phone.
We can start again from the beginning and make sure.
Notice it's going into plantar flexion. So the muscles that are in the back force it to go into plantar flexion. The muscle in the front, tibialis anterior, is going to cause it to go into dorsiflexion. So these are the two muscles when we were talking about shin splints. These are the two that have to be stretched. So gastrocnemius and the soleus. Okay? That's pretty
So
much
those
it.
are the gastro and the soleus are the two muscles in the, like your shin, behind calf.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay?
Mhm.